Hey gang, going straight in here with Girl Talk by Gel Perfection, and that will have a full cure. Apologies if some of this video is out of focus. I think some of it is, but I didn't want to just delete it, so here it is. This is Alaska, just done a heart and going to fill that in. I did put quite a big blob of Alaska on there, so I'm just stretching it out, making sure it's not too thick so that when it cures it doesn't bubble in the lamp, and that will have a full cure. This is lemonade. There's another heart there that has appeared as if by magic. Maybe some elves, I think, came in and painted it whilst it was in the lamp. It's very kind of them. This is lemonade. I could have gone straight over Girl Talk with the lemonade to do the heart, but I wanted to put white down first just to make sure that it is the yellow it's meant to be, and that it'll pop, so it's true to itself. Be true to yourself. So I'm just covering the heart with that, and then that will have a full cure, or it's probably had a flash cure just whilst I now use Turtle Beach on the heart that appeared by magic. I hope you all have nice Valentine's days if you're that way inclined. Might take my new earrings for a spin this weekend. Anyway, where was I? Turtle Beach, bottom heart, and then they will have a full cure because I'm going to paint some letters on them. A full cure is 1 minute with Gel Perfection. So I wanted to write I love you here. I wanted to write it in full form, LOVE, but it wasn't happening for me that day, so I opted to do LUV and still did a pretty piss poor job of it. I've clearly given up not swearing in my videos. Sorry. Obviously you can write whatever you want here. You can write go fuck yourself if you want a little anti-Valentine set. Might not be as cute. This, I wanted to put XOXO, but again, it wasn't happening for me. I wasn't going to fit them all in without it looking like squeezed on. So I've gone for XOX, which doesn't really make any sense. But there you go. Never mind. Just outlining them now in Alaska. It's a really great white for outlining because it's so opaque. You don't have to go over it with a second coat for detail. So both of these will be outlined. The top corner of that heart there is a bit pointy. I tried to rectify it. Didn't do a great job of that. Not to worry. I realised it needed a bit more stuffs. So I've just kept with the pastel theme and I'm adding some hearts. This is pink petals. Just the easy dot dot and then joining up the sides and then dragging it together, hearts. Nice and simple. That was Tooth Fairy, and this is Bluebird. Bluebird? Yes, Bluebird. And then I used the yellow and the green again just to do a couple more hearts. So that's lemonade, and I presume I then used Turtle Beach again at the top. Either. I filmed this a little while ago. I'm just really slack at editing and doing voiceovers. I hate doing voiceovers. I don't like the sound of my own voice. Does anybody like the sound of their own voice? Maybe narcissists. And then I realised it needed some more stuff. I didn't need it, but I was just on a roll. So I added some dots with Alaska, and there you have it. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.